So which are the most iconic companies that you've invested in through Shark Tank?
यार आइकॉनिक तो तब होगी जब पैसे वापस आएंगे, बट the companies that, so I'll name a few companies which have become very interesting. एक company है Winston,
Okay.
which is doing not home appliance but personal appliances. So shavers and skin massagers and all of that. There's no brand in India आज की तारीख में जो कर रहा है. वो जब आए थे वो 30-35 लाख रुपए सेल कर रहे थे मैंने कहा. Now they're about 60 crores in terms of annual revenue run rate.
Oh wow.
Then there is another company which is into Homestrap. उसमें मैंने अकेले इन्वेस्ट किया था 3 साल हो गए शायद. Even when they came, they were about 50 lakhs monthly revenue. Now their annual revenue run rate is again in that same range, 50-60 crores. There's another company called Sharma Ji Ka Aata.
Sharma Ji Ka Aata.
Now they are rebranded to Sharma Ji.
Okay.
They came 3 years back. मतलब 2.5 years back according to the season. 3 years अभी पूरा होगा. तो उनका तो धंधा ही नहीं था. उनकी चक्की थी, आटे की चक्की. You know what आटे की चक्की is?
Yeah.
तुमको तो पैकेज्ड आटा खाने की आदत होगी.
नहीं सर, मिल से खाता तो सर मैं.
हाँ अच्छा. तो आटे की चक्की चलाती थी वो आंटी. और 50-60 हजार रुपए का माल बेचती थी मैंने कहा. और उसको करना था पैकेज्ड प्रोडक्ट्स.
Okay.
और सबने ना बोल दिया था इन्वेस्टमेंट करना. बट फॉर व्हाटएवर रीजन आई फेल्ट समथिंग, तो मैंने वापस बुला के उनको पैसे दिए. They are now doing 1 crore of 10 crore annual revenue run rate.
How did that happen, sir?
बहुत मेहनत लगी यार. मतलब everything from sitting with them, designing products, figuring out the strategy, getting them on Q-commerce, visiting their factories. काफी कुछ किया हमने.
How are they different from आशीर्वाद का आटा, सर?
आशीर्वाद का आटा बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है, बहुत छोटी है.
नहीं मतलब in terms of quality, like you said in the beginning.
का claim है that they are not processed, they are not, they use better grains. तो more healthy, it's more organic.
Okay.
तो वही है बस घर के आटे जैसा. Right, is their pitch.
Okay.
मम्मी के हाथ के खाने जैसा. So that's how they sell it and that's how they package it and they try to. Now they set up their own factory. तो खुद की प्रोडक्शन हो गई, पहले तो बाहर से लेते थे. तो that's another company that's quite interesting. Then there is एक आया था Tinkerbell. Yeah, okay. Which is to cater to specially abled people. अभी वो तो season 1 में आया था शायद. And they had come with this boy who was blind. And he had become quite a phenomenon on social media.
Okay.
तो वो उनका brand ambassador था. Prathamesh. Yeah. And then obviously we were all in touch with him, helping him in whatever way we could. But great kid. He's a motivational speaker now, and really looking beyond his horizons. और उसको वो कंपनी भी अच्छा कर रही है. They went on to raise more capital. तो ऐसी है. About out of the total number of companies that we've invested in, I personally have, but there are about 8-10 companies that have done very well and that are at that range of 10 crores to 50 crores annual revenue run rate. Now this is a very interesting phase. यहाँ से जो companies निकल जाती है ना to the next level of 100 crores, then those companies become very big.
Yeah.